Hey, Mark Greene from Cars Yeah for Covercraft. Today I'm out of my garage and I'm in my backyard. You know, one of the things that's great about today's world is that we can really work anywhere. I'm sitting here using my iPad and I'm checking out the Covercraft website here. And you know, they're a lot more than car covers and all the other things you hear me talk about. They also do something kind of nice, actually really nice for you, and that's protective covers for your outdoor furniture, for tables and different things like that. In my case, I live in the Pacific Northwest where it rains a lot, but I still like to come out here when the sun comes out and enjoy some fresh air and do a little work. In this case, I'm playing on the Covercraft website. I want to show you something that they sent me recently that makes it possible for me to come out here and have some fun instead of sitting on a squishy, wet couch where it's not so much fun. Check that out over there. This is a really cool cover they sent me. It's completely waterproof. I just throw it on there when I think the rain's coming, and then when the rain comes, that doesn't matter because it rolls right off. And then I take the cover off. I can just hang it up to dry, and boom, I can come out here and enjoy the great outdoors. The great thing about Covercraft is they're a lot more than car covers. As I'm looking on their website here, seat covers, dash covers, sunscreens, front end protection, floor and cargo mats, canine covers. You've heard me talk about that with the great Warden. We did that great photo shoot with. RV covers. My next door neighbors have this giant RV and it sits most of the year. Protect it, keep it clean. That's a great way to do it. They even have sheepskin seat covers and arrow sheep if you have an airplane, if you're fortunate to have one of those. But in my case, I've just got a couple couches, but I could come out here and enjoy the great outdoors Pacific Northwest and be fully protected from Covercraft on my outdoor furniture. Check it out at covercraft.com. Don't forget to subscribe. I think it's right down there so I can keep bringing you these things. Now let's see what they've got going on here.